In this video, I will demonstrate how to install the 6-piece log set into the Champlain direct vent gas stove. The burner pan has 5 mounting posts for the logs. I will quickly point out each post before starting the installation. Let's take a look at log number 1. You'll see when I flip this over, the log has 2 holes in it. Here and here. Log 1 goes in the back right of the firebox. We're going to line up these holes with the posts and slide the log into place. We'll take a look at log number 2 now. Flipping it over, you can see a single hole right here. Setting log 2 into place on the left side, lining up the hole to the corresponding post, slide it over the post and position it like this. On to log 3. I'll quickly flip it over to show you the mounting hole. Log 3 goes in the back right, remembering to line the hole up with the post. Rest the front edge of log 3 onto log 1. Here's log 4. This has a single mounting hole as shown here. To install log 4, we're going to line up the hole to the threaded post in front and rest it on log 1. Make sure log 4 lines up with log 3, as you see here. Next is log 5. The bottom side reveals the mounting hole in the center of the log. When placing log 5, align this hole to the post used in log 2. Allow the front edge to rest on the brick pattern casting. Finally, log 6. Here's the mounting hole. Log 6 goes all the way in the back of the firebox. Line up this hole to the exposed post shown here and rest the other side on log 2. Now for the ceramic nuggets. These ship with new stoves, but not with the replacement log set. I'm just going to sprinkle them towards the front of the firebox. It's really important not to cover any burner ports when placing these. The burner ports are the slots cut into the burner pan. This is where the gas exits the burner. The last step is the platinum members. Again, these ship with new stoves, but not replacement log sets. Similar to the nuggets, these get placed towards the front, avoiding all burner ports. While in use, these platinum members glow and add a very realistic look to the flame appearance. Installation is now complete. Final adjustments may need to be made if sooting forms on the logs during use. For technical information on this or any of our products, please visit hearthstonetech.com.